Welcome to the new lesson. For better learning, watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video, you will be assigned a task to do. Stay connected. Let's go to the video. To upload your text file in Google Colab, the very first thing you need to do is to upload your text file in Google Drive first. So to upload your text file in Google Drive, go to the new browser and click on these dots here. Click on the drive and click on new button here at the left top corner, and here choose the file upload. As you left click on file upload, it will take you inside your computer. Go where you have saved the file and select. So my file is here at the desktop, abrar.txt. So I will left click on the file and open it. So my file has uploaded, you can see here. And if I refresh my drive, you can see my text file has uploaded here, abrar.ahmed.txt. Now I will go to the Google Colab and I will attach that Google Drive to the Google Colab so the file can be attached. To attach your Google Drive to Google Colab, type this code in the very first cell here and run the cell. You can see the cell is running and the action has completed. So if your drive is already mounted or attached with your Google Colab, so the result will be shown like this: drive already mounted. And the next thing for you to do is to attach the text file from the Google Drive. So to attach the text file with Google Colab, type this code here. And you can see that code and the file name here, you can see sample.txt. Remember, you have to give the same file name that you have uploaded. My text file is with abrarahmed.txt. So you have to provide the same name. I'll select this name, sample.txt here, and paste my text file name here. So you can see the same file name, abrarahmed.txt, and in Google Colab and in Google Drive, you can see abrarahmed.txt. Remember, if the name is not same or you are making any little change, so the Google Colab will give you an error. So play the cell now and see the result. So my file has attached with the Google Colab and ready for the analysis. If you want to make sure you have attached the file or not, just type this code here in the new cell and play the cell, and you can see my text file is here. So this is the way to upload your text file from Google Drive to Google Colab for the analysis. If your Google Drive is not already mounted, type the same code here and play the cell. This dialog box will appear. Connect to Google Drive and a new window will open. Here, choose the account. Click on the continue. And go down, click on continue. So your Google Drive actually is mounting. You can see here the green tick and the result mounted at content drive. And type this code again here and give the same file name. Abrar Ahmed dot text. And run the cell. So my text file has attached now and ready for the analysis. And if you want to make sure, click here for the new cell again. And type this code again to see the text. Here you can see the complete file here. So this is the way to attach your text file from the Google Drive. Before you go, here's a task for you to do.